organic black tea and how to minimize stimulants in this tea. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey into the world of organic black tea. Tea has long been an important part of the culture and lifestyle of many people around the world. But have you ever wondered what makes up the unique flavor and health effects of organic black tea? In this video, we will learn about the important stimulants like caffeine, tannins and theobromine in organic black tea. We will explore organic black tea to enjoy the tea sensibly, minimize the effects of these substances and create moments of relaxation and upliftment with organic black tea. 1. Caffeine. Caffeine, a natural drug commonly found in black tea, has attracted consumer interest because of its ability to induce alertness and reduce stress. The stimulant properties of caffeine can help improve mental health and performance. However, it is important to have a clear understanding of how to control caffeine consumption to ensure safe and satisfying levels. In organic black tea, the caffeine concentration can vary based on the type of tea and production method. Choosing teas with a low caffeine concentration can be a smart way to enjoy a distinctive flavor without worrying about overpowering. Moderate caffeine consumption may have health benefits, including the ability to increase focus and reduce feelings of fatigue. However, as in everything, consideration is important. Excessive caffeine consumption can cause side effects such as anxiety, insomnia, and feelings of stress. For a fun and healthy organic black tea experience, adjusting the caffeine content and choosing carefully how to brew the tea can help maintain good health and create a moment of true relaxation. 2. Tannins. Tannins, an important compound that occurs mainly in black tea, are responsible for the characteristic and deep flavor of this tea. Tannins contribute to the complexity and harmony of the aromas and flavors of the tea, creating an enjoyable experience for the drinker. Although tannins are an important ingredient, consuming too much tannin can cause a number of undesirable effects. For example, tannins have the potential to create a feeling of dryness in the mouth and even discomfort. This can happen when tannins interact with substances in the mouthwater, causing an unpleasant sensation similar to that of dry mouth. Furthermore, tannins can also affect the absorption of minerals in the body. Consuming too much tannin can affect your ability to absorb minerals like iron and calcium. Therefore, maintaining a balanced amount of tannins in the diet is important to ensure that the body remains adequately supplied with these important minerals. Tannins play an important role in creating the unique flavor of black tea. However, controlling the amount of tannin consumed is necessary to avoid unpleasant sensations and to ensure adequate absorption of minerals. 3. Theobromine. Theobromine is a stimulant similar to caffeine and is commonly found in sources such as cocoa and chocolate. In the world of black tea, theobromine is also present, although in lower concentrations than in cocoa products. However, rest assured, at such low concentrations, theobromine usually doesn't have the same strong stimulant effects as caffeine. Theobromine is generally a mild stimulant and mildly uplifting, creating a feeling of well-being and relaxation. Compared to caffeine, theobromine's effect on alertness is generally less strong, and it doesn't cause the side effects of anxiety or insomnia like caffeine can. In organic black tea, exposure to theobromine can be part of a pleasurable and relaxing experience. Provides health and mental benefits without having to worry about strong stimulant effects. To improve your experience with organic black tea and minimize the effects of stimulants such as caffeine, tannins and theobromine, you can apply some simple measures. Opt for low caffeine black teas, use warm water instead of boiling water to make the tea, and shorter brewing times to reduce stimulants. Remember to clean the tea leaves before brewing and experiment to find the right brew ratio for the right amount of stimulant. By doing these things, you can enjoy the great taste of organic black tea without feeling overwhelmed by stimulants. Thank you for accompanying us and don't forget to click like, subscribe to not miss the next interesting videos on our channel.